Hello, Santiago here. Let's learn how to print our first cube while we learn the foundation of Bambu Studio. Let's do this. Well, first of all, we enter to our Bambu Studio software and our plate, we right click and put add primitive. We can select anyone, but we'll select a cube. Then after this, we will select our printer, our plate, texture plate in our case. The diameter is fine. And the filament that in our case is a specific one, a custom that I've already configured. As I told you before, it's really important to take care about the temperature configuration of your 3D print if you want to have a real good quality of 3D print. Then after this, we put with the system presets, the extra draft, we go to support, we verify isn't checked, and then we go to others, then to bed addition, print type, and we put outer print on. We will learn later why this is important to our 3D print. Then after that, we go to strength, sparse infill, and we put 20%. We verify is agreed. Then we click on a slice plate that is in the upper right part of our screen. We click on a slice plate, and we can see in the preview tab that we have our first slice 3D print. You can find the layer by layer bar in the right side of your software. You can play with it and see all the progress of your 3D print from the first layer to the last one. We can see in our first layer that everything is well placed. And you can see also that we have our rim. Then to export it, you can have two options. The first one is to click in pre-plate. You can see that we have our printer already linked, our pay plate already configured, and the PLA also. You can select, for example, if you want to have a time-lapse, I can put it on and you can see how it's going to print, the flow dynamics calibration and thing. Oh, and the auto bed leveling, I recommend you to do it always because between prints, the bed can change a little bit in the leveling and it will affect all the next print you're going to have. It takes just 1-2 minutes and it's going to be really useful for the quality of your 3D print. We send it, we are automatically thrown to the device tab. We can see that the printer is downloading. You can hear the 3D printer saying he has received our file, and you can see that it's starting to make. It tells you how much time it's going to take it and the time he estimates is going to finish the print. You can also see in the control part the temperature of our nozzle, the temperature of our bed, and you can supervise what is happening in your 3D printer. So there's another way you can do an export. If you don't have your 3D printer near you, you just insert your 3D your SD card to your computer, and to export the G code, you click in the print plate and you say export plate slice file. Then you click on it, and it will ask you where would you want to be saved. I recommend you. I think it's something. It's a little bit old school, but it's really useful if you want to order and if you have other files or you are in a school or in a lab and there are a lot of people working with it, and you put your last name, then you put the name of the model, the scale, the machine you're working with, and the print type. And that's it. You just save it and you eject your SD card, go to your 3D printer. The slot of the SD card is in the front part. You insert it and you can search in the screen your file to put it to print. Here, I will show you how did it went with the 3D print, the time lapse that the machine can do, and the final product that is going to be a simple but beautiful cube. So this is it for our foundations in Bambu Studio and BambuLab. See you on the next course.